In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shared team calendar in Outlook. Start by opening Outlook in your browser at the Outlook website. Once Outlook loads, look to the top left sidebar and click the calendar icon. This takes you from your mail view into the calendar area, where you can create and manage calendars. On the left side, find the mini calendar. Just below that, click Add Calendar. A panel will open with different calendar options. In that panel, select Create Blank Calendar. Now you'll name the new calendar. Click into the calendar name field and enter the name you want to use for your shared team calendar. As you type the name, you're creating the label that everyone on your team will see in Outlook. Leave the calendar under Other Calendars, which is where the shared calendar will be stored in the sidebar. If you want to, choose a color from the color picker. This changes how the calendar appears visually in Outlook, making it easier to recognize in the calendar view. After that, click Save. The new calendar will now appear in the left sidebar under Other Calendars. Make sure its checkbox is checked. When that checkbox is on, events from the shared calendar will display in your calendar view, along with any other visible calendars. Next, move to the new calendar in the left sidebar and hover over it. When you hover, you'll see a three-dot menu appear. Click that menu, then choose Sharing and Permissions. A sharing panel will open. Click into the field where you add people and enter a team member's email. As the contact appears in the list, select that contact. Outlook will add them to the sharing list for this calendar. Next to their name, click the Permission dropdown. From the list, select Can Edit. This gives that team member permission to add events, change events, and remove events on the shared calendar. If you need to include more people, repeat the same process for each additional team member you want to add. Enter the next person's email, select the contact, then open the Permission dropdown next to their name and choose Can Edit again. Continue through each person you want to share the calendar with. When everyone has been added, click Share. Outlook sends each team member a one-time email notification letting them know the calendar has been shared with them. Once they accept, the calendar appears in their Outlook sidebar. After that, no further invites are sent for individual events created on this calendar. Now you can start adding events to the shared team calendar. In the main calendar view, click a date and time where you want to place an event. This opens the New Event form. At the top of that form, check the Calendar dropdown. Make sure it shows the team calendar you just created. If it shows your personal calendar instead, click the dropdown and switch it to the shared calendar. This step matters because the event will only appear for the team if it is being created on the shared calendar itself. Next, click into the title field and enter the event title. Say the title clearly as you type it into the field, so it appears exactly as you want it on the calendar. After the title is in place, set the time for the event using the time fields in the form. Adjust the date and time as needed so the event lands in the correct slot on the shared calendar. Once the title and time are set, click Save. The event now appears on the shared calendar. Any team members who accepted the calendar share can see this event in their Outlook, and they do not receive an individual meeting invite for it. At this point, the shared team calendar is fully set up and working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The calendar appears in the left sidebar for you and for every team member you shared it with. Any events added to this calendar are visible to all members automatically, without sending individual invites for each event. Team members with Can Edit permission can also add their own events directly to the shared calendar, and those events will appear for the rest of the team in the same shared view.